Hey everyone, welcome to day 3 of your beginner guitar course. Today we're focusing on one of the most important parts of guitar, and that is strumming. By the end of this video, you'll be able to play a simple downstroke strumming pattern, keep time with the beat, and use it to play Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. So let's jump in. What is strumming? So strumming is simply brushing your pick or your fingers across the strings in rhythm. We're not worrying about fancy patterns today, just getting the basic motion feeling smooth and relaxed. Your hand loose, so don't stiffen up. Let the wrist move naturally. Don't do it from the elbow. You're not a mechanical whatever machine. Do it from the wrist, and don't squeeze the pick too tightly, because then it just strains the muscle here. We're aiming for a simple and steady. So just keep it nice and loose and relaxed. All right, here's our basic pattern for today. We're just gonna strum down, 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 and down. So one strum per beat. Okay, so nice and simple. What you can do with your left hand is, if you do know a chord, feel free to whack a chord on. But if you don't, just put your hands very gently on the guitar and just go down. So try playing along with me now. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you push too hard, you're going to start getting this sound, and if you're not pushing hard enough, you'll get the open strings, which you can strum as well. So don't worry about speed, it's consistency that's more important. So just keeping a nice even rhythm, even if it's really, really slow. So now let's work on rhythm a little bit more. If you have a metronome, set it to 60 beats per minute. So what is a metronome? Metronome is something that clicks, and as you go along, it keeps you in time. I will give you an example of one. So you can type metronome into Google, you can type it into your app store, you can type it in anywhere, and you'll get a metronome. I use the one in Guitar Tuner, T-U-N-A. If you go down to tools here, it has one up here, metronome. It comes up like this. It's got the numbers, so we'll set it to 60, which is the same as 60 seconds. So 60 clicks in a minute. So then it'll go like this. So it'll click along, and all you have to do is just put it down and try and strum along. So every tap and every strum is one click. So if you don't have a metronome, that's absolutely fine. Try and do it with your foot, or gently nod your head. You can tap your foot down. You can't see my foot, but it's down there. And nod your head and try and do it along. Every tap or click is one strum. Good. Keep your hand relaxed and let your wrists do most of the work. And give that a go. Feel free to pause the video. Let's add in the chords from the last video. We've got the mini G, we've got the mini C, and then the D. Okay, which you can play as two fingers. Play like that or like that. Feel free to use the fourth string as well. And we'll strum each chord 4 times. So we'll go from G, 1, 2, 3, 4 to C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and D, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 down strums. And feel free to do another D. 1, 3, 4. Okay, so don't worry if you're taking a long time to change. Just have a go, very evenly trying to strum and change. Just do it the best that you can. And back to G. So it makes a nice little song. Feel free to pause the video just to go over that. Cycle through your chords, do the down strum. Down 4 times on each, or if you want to, you can do 8 on each. Totally up to you. So take your time with the chord changes. If you need an extra second to switch, pause your strumming, just stop and then change and then start again. So that's totally normal at this stage. Right, now let's put it all together with today's song, Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. We'll use the chords G, C, and D. So there's 2 main parts to this song. We've got the verse and the chorus. That's all we need to learn today. Chorus is just G and C. It's G 8 times, C 4 times, and then G 8 times, and then C 4 times. Okay. Then when we get to the verse, it goes G, D, G, C, all 4 times. So let's have a go at that. Now, if you want to play along with the original, you'll need a capo. We're going to play it in this particular way. So if you do have one of these clippy things, they're called guitar capos, you clip it on number 2, and then you start doing your MIDI chords. See how it's raised the notes up a little bit. So let's focus on the chorus today. 2, 3, 4, so we do G 8 times, and then C 4 times, and G again, and G again. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and G. Okay, so it goes, don't worry, 2, 3, 4, about a thing, 2, 3, 4, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Back to G, 3, 4, and again, 1, 2, about a thing, 2, 3, 4, 'cause every little thing it's gonna be alright. Finish with a G 4 times. Okay, so G 8 times, C 4 times. So pause the video, have a go at that, and we'll jump over to the verse now. So this is G. Rise up this morning, 2, 3, 4. Smile with the rising sun, D 4 times. Back to G, 3 little birds. Sit by my C chords, singing G chords of melodies, D, E chords, and back to C, singing, this is my message to G, G, G. Okay, and that's it. I'm playing a little fast, but you can play it a lot slower. If you wanted to just do a single strum for each one and count to 8, so you just go 1, 2, 3, 4, just every 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and back to C, 2, 3, 4, and back to G. You could do it just like that. And don't worry if you can't play it in time like I have, that's absolutely fine. Just focus on getting the chords and having a go at the next chord. And just have a little bit of fun with it. Great job today. You've learned how to strum using a simple downstroke pattern, and how to keep steady time, and how to apply it to 3 little birds. So your homework for today is practice the downstroke pattern for 5 minutes, practice G, C, and D chord transitions, and play through the 3 little birds progression at least 3 times. Tomorrow we're adding 2 brand new chords, E minor and A minor, which will open up even more songs for you. So great work today. Give yourself a pat on the back, and I'll see you in day 4. Take care. Bye.